Hi, and welcome to Merch Moneymaker's channel. Merch Moneymaker shares the latest news, trends, tips and tricks in the print-on-demand business. We show designers and content creators where to get new design ideas, assets, images and designs, as well as tutorials on how to take your print-on-demand store to the success story it needs. So if you post products to sites like Redbubble, Printify, Printly, CafePress and Zazzle, you are sure to gain some valuable information by viewing our content and well-organized playlists. Subscribe to get notified of new content. Print on demand is a printing technology and business process in which products are not printed until the company receives an order, allowing prints of single or small quantities. While other industries established the build-to-order business model, print on demand could only develop after the beginning of digital printing because it was not economical to print single copies, using traditional printing technology such as letterpress and offset printing. Many traditional small presses have replaced their traditional printing equipment with print-on-demand equipment, or contract their printing to print-on-demand service providers. If you are an artist or content creator, you may be interested in print-on-demand opportunities. Please like and subscribe for more content and have a great day.